Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can generate backup codes in Zoho Mail. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be doing. So of course, you have to make sure that you have the two-factor authentication enabled. And once you're here, you will go to your profile icon and then you will click my account. And once you click my account, you will be directed here. And so you will be directed to your profile and then you will just have to click multi-factor authentication and scroll down a bit until you see backup verification codes. And what you will have to do is basically just click generate code, new codes, and then a backup code will appear. Note a list of backup codes provided will appear. So yeah, after that you will just have to of course store them securely offline or in a password manager. So and yeah, that's it. Finally, you will just have to use these codes so that you will be able to log in if your main authentication method fails. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope you found it helpful, and if it was helpful for you, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.